Hello friends. Now today I'm going to solve A-level question, CAIE A-level question of paper 970912 2019. Yes, question number 2. Question number 2. And the question is let me show you the question. And the question is, you can see in the screen here, 2 points A and B have the coordinates 1, 3 and 9, -1 respectively. The perpendicular bisector of AB intersect the Y at the point C. Find the coordinate of C, and it's of the 5 marks question. So let me solve you this question in one of the easiest way. So everybody, in coordinate geometry, you should always remember that at first you try to make a rough sketch figure about the question. Look here, simply you make the coordinate at first. You can place normally, for example, it's 1, 3, then again 9, -1, 9, -1. Okay, now I'm just drawing it to make you understand in an easy way. Yes, for example, this is 9, -1. Yes. Now, what the question is saying is that now the perpendicular bisector of this line, always perpendicular bisector means it divides this line in two equal parts in a which makes 90° as well. Yes, perpendicularly means making 90°. That means now let us take this line. Now this divides it in the 90°, means perpendicularly it makes angle here 90°, and it divides in the two half. Bisector means always it makes two half. Now according to the question, yes, according to the question, it says that the perpendicular bisector of AB intersect y-axis at the point C. Now if this line keeps on going, that it intersect the y-axis. This is y-axis line, this is x-axis at C, right? So then now how you need to calculate the coordinate of the C point. Yes, so let us suppose that this line is L1 and this line is L2. According to the question, it is given that L1 is perpendicular to L2. Yes, and now let me explain you is that now to get the point of C, what you need at first, you need the equation of line L2. Yeah, you're right, you're correct. Those who have already the knowledge, yes, you're correct. Now, how will you get the equation of line 2? Yes, for the equation of line 2, at first you need to calculate the slope of the line 1. Yes, to calculate the slope of the line 1, you need to use the 2-point slope form formula or point slope form formula, right? What is point slope form formula? Means for slope, m is equals to y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. Yes, so for what? For L1. We are looking about L1, right? Yes. So then now here, uh, suppose this one is x1, y1, this is x2, y2, x1, y1, x2, y2. Yes. So y2 minus y1, -1, -3, 9, -1. It gives you -4 over now 8. That is simply -1 over 2. You got the slope. What did you get? You get -1 over 2. That's the slope of L1. Now since L1 is perpendicular to L2, you need to calculate the slope of L2 now. How do you get the slope of L2? Now, since they are perpendicular to each other, the slope product will be -1. So M1 into M2 is equals to -1. So M2 is equals to -1 over M1. So -1 over, what is M1? M1, you have just calculated above, that is -1 over 2. Now just do the reciprocal. Yes, minus, you can eliminate the minus, right? Yes. Now you can write 1 times 2 by 1, which is 2. Yes. Now, after getting the slope of L2, yes, now this is the slope of L2. Now move on forward. Now, as you have noticed that we have the slope of L2. Now we need a passing point. Now how to get a passing point? Since this point is a bisector, means it it divides the line L1 in two halves. So we need to calculate the midpoint of this one. Yes, you can suppose it as M, or you can suppose it as X, whatever else. Yes. Now for example, coordinate of M means, how to get it? You need to use by midpoint formula. By midpoint formula. Now that is M is equals to x1 plus x2 by 2, comma y1 plus y2 by 2. Right? Now, what is your x1, y1? It's very simple, right? Yes, here is x1, y1, x2, y2. So then now 1 plus 9 over 2, comma 3 minus 1 over 2. Yes, that is now 10 over 2, 2 over 2. That is now 5 comma 1. That's it. Yes. So this is what this is called. It's a midpoint. Now you have what? Now come to the major part, is that now you have the slope of line L2. It's 2, and you have passing point is minus 1, 5 comma 1. Now you can get the equation of a line. For equation of line L2, y minus y1 equals to m x minus x1. So what is y minus y1? What is y1? Y1 is 1. What is m? 2. X minus 5. Now y minus 1 is equals to 2x minus 10. So simply y is equals to 2x minus 10 plus 1. So y is equals to 2x minus 9. Yes. So now according to the format, right? Uh, you need to place, if it's asked that calculate, get the equation of the line L2, then this is the answer. Or you can express in other way, is that now 2x minus y minus 9 equals to 0 as well, because generally the equation are in the form of ax plus by plus c equals to 0. Yes. Now we are at the end of the question. Almost we are at the end of the question. Now we need to calculate the coordinate of c. Now since in the question it is said that now the line L2 intersects at y-axis. So whenever the line intersects at y-axis, then x is 0. What is 0? X is 0. Yes, because in this point it's always, you can say something 0 comma something value, right? Yes, it may be the value of y, or some y, maybe something else, right? Yes. So then now so then now for coordinate of c, coordinate of c, point c, Yes, uh, x is equals to 0. So 2 into 0 minus y minus 9 equals to 0. That is now minus y is equals to 9. Yes, so you can, therefore you can say y is equals to minus 9. Yes, so what do you get your answer? Your answer is now, therefore c is what? Minus, c is, sorry, c is 0 comma minus 9. Yes, the value of c is what? 0 comma minus 9. And even that satisfy as well. Look here, you finally you check it. It seems quite to be 1 comma 3. It seems quite to be 9 comma minus 1. So of course, when you draw the line, it goes at the negative part of the y-axis. Yes, so this is your answer. And you have to recheck answer as well. Yes, so thank you very much for giving your valuable time. Yes, please do like, subscribe, and share the video to your friends, to your colleagues. Thank you so much.